Hi, this is Brian Hofschild, and we are doing video number 2 in my series of teaching new coaches how to coach soccer in the ages 6 and 7. So we have 5 on the field, and we are talking about the positions right now. Midfield, forward, and defense. Last video we learned about the star formation. That's what I use. 2 forwards, 2 defense, and 1 midfield. So now I want to talk about the different positions and what you have to teach them. So our midfielder, he should be our strongest player. The most ball control, maybe the fastest, but not necessarily. More important, he is strongest. He can run the most. And he is the only one that has complete freedom to move around the entire field. At any time, he can be helping out the forwards. He can be helping out the defense. He can be moving to any corner of the field that he wants at any time, okay? He connects the team together, so he can engage if he wants, okay? Or he should be, if the ball is moving up here, okay, and the right forward moves up there, okay, he can be up there helping him, or he can be close enough to him that he's connected and he can pass the ball back to him. But the midfield has complete freedom to go wherever he wants. The other players, no, okay? All right, but midfield, yes. He should be soccer smart, okay? He should know what's going on. He should be able to look, he should be able to anticipate, okay, what is going to happen next. Where's the ball right now? Where's it going? Where should I be standing so I can intercept the ball, okay? And then the team can build themselves around him. So he has to have that savvy. Some of the kids in this age group are kind of like, skipping through the tulips, looking at the clouds, picking grass and daisies and stuff. So you don't want one of those kids in your midfield position, okay? So that's normal and natural at this age group, so don't get frustrated. Some kids develop faster than others, but find that kid who is soccer smart, pays attention, and is aggressive and wants to play, and you build your team around him, okay? He can play midfield the whole time, all right, if necessary. So he's kind of like the captain of the team, okay? We don't have captains, okay, in this age group, but you got to think of it like that, okay? If I was to have a captain of the team, who would it be, okay? Who is a team leader, he's encouraging, uplifting, and someone who is a strong soccer player. So that's who we want to have in the midfield. Now, forwards and defense. What we've got to do is we got to teach these kids how to hold their positions, okay? We don't want them to switch, okay? Or we don't want them to switch. If they're defense, they should not be playing forward. And if they're forward, they should not be playing defense, okay? And we don't want them to cross. We don't want them on the left. If you're on the left side of the field, okay, we don't want you to play right side and vice versa. So what does that mean, okay? Now, we move as a unit. So as the ball moves down the field, okay, we move down the field like that. So if the ball's here, we are moving down the field. But now what happens if the ball moves over to this side of the field? The ball moves over here. What should be happening is now it's the right forward's job to go attack that ball and get it. This is his territory. This corner of the field is his area. Anytime the ball is in this corner of the field, that right forward should be attacking it. Now the rest of the team moves up with him, okay, but the defense does not go up there and try to play forward, okay, and the midfield can engage if he wants to, or he can hang back a little bit, okay, so he is smart enough to read the situation and then determine what he wants to do, okay. The defense should be moving up together where they're even with each other at all times, approximately, and the left forward should not be going over here and getting the ball. Okay, he's of no value to the team if he's right here. Okay, it's the right forward's job to get the ball right now. If he goes and gets the ball, what are these guys going to do with it? They can't do nothing with it. They can't score from there. Okay, all right. So the left forward needs to be here, in front of the net. So we move as a unit. The right forward gets the ball. The left forward should be hanging out in this general area in front of the net, so that when we get the ball, this guy has got options. He can pass it back to his defense, to his midfield, or cross it over. If we get the ball to the midfield, he can get it over here to this guy, okay? Or same with the defense. But we don't want them bunching up, And we don't want the defense coming up here. We don't want the left forward coming up here. We want the right forward coming up here. I might do practices or drills inside in our practices where I kick the ball into this corner and then I ask the kids, who should be going and getting that ball right now? Should the left defense go get that ball? Or the right defense? No, it's the right forward's job to get the ball. And then it's the same thing if the ball moves to this side of the field, okay? Same thing, all right? The left forward should get the ball. The right forward should be in front of the net. Same thing when the ball's down here, okay? Ball's down here, we move as a unit, but who should be getting that ball right now? It's obviously the right defense, okay? The left defense should be over here protecting the net somewhere. Midfield can be here. He can engage if he wants, or he can hang back a little bit. And the forwards should not be coming back. This is their tendency. They will want to come back and protect the net. They will want to attack the ball. They'll want to bunch around the ball, and they'll want to protect the net. And no, 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 they cannot do that, okay? We need to teach our forwards, okay, that they can trust the defense. They can trust the defense. They can trust the midfield to do their job. They will come, these guys will come back. They will get the ball. Now, the other team is going to bunch around the ball. That's their tendency, okay? They might have 5 kids around here like that, all trying to get the ball and all trying to score. Because that's what they naturally want to do, okay? But our blue team is not going to do that. We're going to play smart, okay? We are going to let our right defense get the ball, maybe our midfield. Our left defense protects the net. And when we get the ball, what are we going to do with it? We are going to pop it forward, okay? And look at that. We've got a breakaway. We've got scoring opportunities, okay? Because the orange team was not playing their positions. They were not spreading out, okay? They were bunching around the ball. And we were holding our position and creating opportunities for us to score, okay? So, same thing on this side of the field. Yep, we want to let the kids play their position, and we want to stay in our star formation and create opportunities for us to score, okay? Yeah, so don't cross. The other part that's difficult to do is teach the kids when the ball's over here, okay, the right forward's going to want to get it, and we want to look like this. The tendency of the left forward, okay, is he's going to want to attack the ball and go over here. And we have to teach him not to cross the center line, okay? We have to teach the kids that there is a center line down the middle of the field like this, and you don't cross it, okay? If the ball is on the right side of the field, it's the right forward's job to get it. But the left forward should never cross that center line. He should be moving with the ball. As the ball advances down the field, they should be moving as a team up the field. But the left forward should be even with the right forward, okay, moving as a unit so that when we get the ball, okay, we can pass it over to him. But he should not be crossing the center line. Maybe a little bit, okay, but basically we want to teach him, hey, we divide the field like this, and this is your side of the field. If the ball goes over here, then you get it, and the right forward slides up here, but he does not cross the center line. So we don't cross to the other side of the field, and we don't switch, okay? Defense don't go play forwards, and forwards do not come back and play defense. We always stay in this star formation, okay? And we move as a unit, as one body, like a spider, okay? All right, connected together, we move as a unit up and down the field, all right? So this is what we want to work on, teaching our kids, invest the time during practices so they get comfortable with the formation and understanding how to hold their positions. And then in the game, when they're running around and they have a tendency to bunch up, I can say, hey, Joey, hold your position. And he knows what I mean when I say that. He knows, oh, I can't be crossing the center line, or, oh, nope, I can't be going back and playing defense if I'm a forward. Okay, so there. That's video number 2. Thanks for watching.